how to change the live transcribe voice for type responses on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. From here, tap on live transcribe. Next, tap on open live transcribe. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on more settings. Then tap on voice for type responses. From here, tap on the primary language or the secondary language, and then select a voice.
When you type a response in live.
When you type a response in live.
When you type a response in live transcribe, your message.
When you type a response in live transcribe, your message.
When you type a response in live.
Okay, so select a voice that you would like to use for that particular language. Then tap on the back key. Tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.